Happy 4th of July. I've been commiserating whether or not I wanted to open this box. The reason being is, once I open it, I will have ruined the originality of it. And you can see it's completely sealed, cosmoline all over the place. There's an indicator back here, Class C, G179. I can't see the 65400. G179 is the classification for the Studebaker Weasel. So there's supposed to be an NOS either depot rebuild, in which case it would not be NOS, new old stock, but there's supposed to be a carburetor in there. And I put a new blade in my utility knife because dull blades will cut you. So here we go. Alright, well at least I'm just cutting the cosmoline. Alright. That's pretty cool. Got some olive drab cloth tape. I guess by the looks of it, I should just take the cosmoline off. Okay, so that part of the cosmoline I'll save, that has the original stickers on it. It's pretty warm here today, so this stuff's pretty soft. Alright, so this part, like I said, I'll save that. Okay, so this is not an NOS. Box fiber, corrugated. I don't know what all that is. 20 each. That's 8x8x6. That's the size of the box. Eastern Corrugated Container Corporation. Contract number QM means quartermaster. And that's the 18036 is where it falls under. I don't know what the rest of the front of this says, but date packed May 52. That's probably for all of them, because that does not weigh 13 pounds. So let me see what I can do here. I want to be as minimally invasive to the box as possible. And again, more wrapping material here. I'll move the box out of the way. There's a piece of paper in here. Oh, this is just excess wrapping paper. Wrapping grease proof. That's interesting. So the carburetor's in this gooey mess. Taking another look at the camera. There we go. Uh-oh. Oh boy. I don't want that to go to the ground. That's clean in there. This thing's been rebuilt. It's slippery and greasy with cosmoline, so I'm pretty sure. Wow. I'm pretty sure that this carburetor has been rebuilt. It looks pretty clean. What a treat. My gosh. So the only thing left to do is wait till I get my engine rebuilt. And dunk that thing in a gallon of gasoline to get the cosmoline off it. Open her up, take a look inside, make sure everything's copacetic. Thanks, Glenn. Appreciate this. How awesome. Yeah, I don't know how much these things are worth. I'll have to check one of the Weasel websites or the Weasel Facebook page. So, I think that's going to wrap it for this video. Weasel carburetor. And Sir Bertimus gave me a correct air filter for the carburetor. It gets mounted away. There's a hose, a tube that comes over away from the carburetor that that goes to the air cleaner. So I appreciate that, Sir Bertimus. And that's about all I know. Happy 4th again to everybody. Be safe out there. Don't blow your damn fingers off. Thanks for watching my video.